Word to your mother.
What's up, Sam? What are we doing today?
Today we're going horsebacking through the river. One of them bastards.
They are right over there, man. Fucking cool. We just arrived yesterday at this fine hostel. My car is over here, around the corner. But we're not gonna use it today because we're going on the horses. Horsey! See you in a bit. Shit, boys, we're going on the horse now. Fucking it.
So. Let's get a clip for you.
¿Estás bien ahí o quieres un poco más abajo?
Ayúdame. Ah, ya.
¿Es bien?
Sí, creo que está bien. Es mi primera vez.
Muy tranquilos.
¿Sí? Ah, bueno.
Este es Pau.
Paul.
Pau.
Pau.
Pavo.
Pavo.
Pau.
Listo. Babo. Sam, I don't think they have a horse for you, man. Sorry. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy. With Pau. Smells like fucking shit here. Is that you, Pau?
Pase del Cosmo.
Oh, we got Samuel on a horse.
Al de la sexta azul, el mono.
I think he's got a mini one.
Oh shit, the big Danish guy. We gotta get him on the small horse.
How do you do?
Oh fuck, it's moving. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no.
Este es a la derecha, a la izquierda y lo frenas.
Ah, listo. Fuck.
This is weird. This feels weird. The first time on a horse.
Este es el mono.
Mono. We're on the move.
Yeah! Yo!
What are you saying, Niklas?
Left, please.
I'm very stressed.
Left.
But left.
Ah, left. Look at this fucker, pow! Pow! Oh fuck, I'm gonna crash. Fuck. Hip hip! How do you go faster?
Oh, you got to hit your legs.
Kick your legs?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it works. Oh, fuck. Oh, my balls. Oh, fuck.
What's doing, bro?
Mine just followed you, right?
I think mine has separation anxiety.
Oh, what was that?
I think I almost just crashed there.
Crashed the horse.
Bro. I popped the tire on the horse.
Yeah!
Where's it?
What are you saying?
What's up with the horse, bro? What did he say? We don't have to pay?
We don't have to pay because he says he likes my hat.
Oh yeah, of course. Whew. How's your balls, mate?
My balls are not feeling good.
Oh, fuck yeah. Mine neither.
It's quite fucking hard work, mate.
Wait. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking hell, we're going off-road, man.
We got a run going.
Look how small your horse is, Ollie.
I got a baby horse.
You got the baby horse. How are you feeling, Ollie?
Yeah, better now we're out of that jungle.
I like the jungle.
Oh, bro, move!
Bro, move! Cunt! Move, cunt! Move, you little cunt!
His horse.
Oi,
Wow.
Oi! Stop, tranquilo. I want to take a video, you little dickhead.
Oh, fuck.
What are you running for? Shut up.
We're doing good out here.
You're done now.
Sam's horse is always trying to bite my leg. Look at this shit.
My horse has got a fucking beef with everyone.
You can to eat mine as well.
Fucking mad ass horse.
You two are mates, I reckon. He's always trying to be next to yours.
Yeah, that's true. But it's so small, your horse.
Yeah. Small horse for a small man, mate. Come on. You listen to me, you little fucking dickhead. Up here.
Nice job,
Look,
Samuel.
he just goes, nah. I'm alright, thanks, mate.
Look at the view out here, man. We got the beautiful ladies over here.
Hey.
What are you doing, bro?
This is Herbert.
It's called Herbert.
Herbert.
Mine is Pau. Por ahí? Dale. Ah, fuck, I'm gonna. It's so. Come on, Pau. No, don't eat now, bro. Dale. Fuck, you're splashing me. So, we are in the middle of the jungle now. There's people who are like at the river searching for gold and stuff like that. You can't see them right now, of course, because there's no one here, but back there, where we just came from, people like searching for gold. It's absolutely beautiful here. We just finished. This was a lot of fun.
Fucking highlight, mate. One of the highlights.
Now we're just up in the mountains. I don't know where we are. So I guess we have to figure out how we get back. So we've been walking for a bit. We can't really find the way home. We're out in the middle of the random street with Sam.
Yo yo.
But it's all good because he's the best navigator in the world.
#1 navigator.
Yeah.
Used to navigate for Colin McRae in rally.
It's no joke, man. He's the best. He'll get us home, don't worry. But look at those beautiful houses here. It looks a bit harsh.